Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are planting ranunculus. Well, I actually planted them back in December already, so this is just an update on what they look like today. I'm going to try and do a weekly update to give you an idea where they are. I'm doing the Aviv Picotee, the Toma Purple, and what I didn't notice until this video is two says spring and one say fall. So now I'm gonna have to go back and look if they should be planted in the spring and fall. Sometimes the details for the plants are actually for different zones. I'm in zone 9, so things you have to make it do what it do and trial and error in your zone. So right now what I'm doing, I'm actually soaking them in water. I think I did this for like 4 to 5 hours, and each time I went back and I pretty much every 30 minutes I came and switched them around. I'm actually switching pots because the black pot wasn't filling up because it's actually a self-watering pot, so I'm using one of my kids' Halloween candy bucket to put it in. So yes, I let it sit in here. It was like 4 to 5, I think it was like 5 hours, and I pretty much came, shake it up. I kept them in the bags because I didn't want them to get mixed up. So we're gonna get started with the Picotee red and yellow. So I kept them in the bag while they were in the bucket, and here's what they look like. Look at that. Everyone say they look like little tentacles, and they do. So these are them all puffed up. Look like little tiny octopus. They actually look like tiny, long, skinny potatoes, or even dahlias. You know, dahlia tubers, like skinny dahlia tubers. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna put them in these here. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Okay, so we are out on this dusky evening. I know it's dark. The street lights are coming on. And we're getting the ranunculus in. It is December 29th. These were supposed to be planted in fall, and as you can see, I'm way behind schedule. So let's go ahead and get them in. I had these in this bucket of water for about 5 hours. I kept them in a bag. So let's open them and get started. So you pretty much put the tentacles down. So those little strings that are actually coming off the tubers are actually roots. So that just started rooting already. So like I said, it was ready to be planted. You want to make sure that you have the tentacle portion facing down in the dirt, and that's where the roots are actually coming from. And these were so unique to me. They were so different because I'm so used to planting tulips and dahlias, and those you get, the dahlias are called tubers and the tulips are bulbs, and these are corms, like corn but with an M. So that was very different. And I've seen another I think it was anemone. Those look like rocks. I haven't planted those before, but those look like rock. But these were very fun to do. Okay, back to the video. They got swollen and bigger, so we're putting them in here. So we're going to continue doing this. They definitely look like some spiders. Oh my goodness. So this is big enough to fit all of them. So this is with the square one, and this is with the circle one. This is purple. So if you're not aware, I actually planted ranunculus on a slope, and look what happened. It rained and all the dirt washed off the ranunculus, and it's literally exposed. So I'm gonna go back in and cover it back up with dirt and the little gaps, so the water pretty much washes my freshly laid soil away. So this is at a 2 week mark, I think 2 week and a day, but I went back in and covered up all the dirt, the fresh dirt on the ranunculus. Yep, January 16th, so it's 2 week and 2 days. But look at how much growth we have in such a short period of time. I'm like so amazed. This is amazing. Wow. I'll put the date in here, but I inserted a clip of what I had a few days ago. These are shooting up so fast. These are my ranunculus. I forgot what color these are. I think these are the yellow or the pink ones. I'll put a picture up below, and I'll insert a clip so you can see what they look like a few days ago, but they're coming along nicely. That looks very good. It's doing amazing. Here, another one here. More there, there, and there. So they're doing good. Here for our ranunculus up there. Look how fast these are growing. Like today is January 20th. We were just here a few days ago. And look at all the new shoots that came up. Wow. And we have some in the ground as well. There they are. So these haven't gotten washed away anymore. It's on a slope. I had to come in and put some more dirt because the rain kept washing the soil away from the ranunculus, and I don't want to put any retaining walls on it. I want to have it grown on a slope, so if it's not working, I'll eventually have to do that, but for now we'll keep it the way it is. See, and it goes up, up, up. So pretty. They're growing. Alright, so here are the ones in the container. Some of them are 4, some are 2, some are 3. Like this one over here. Wow, this one is 6 inches tall. That one is 4. So just that one extra one was a bit taller. But what I do notice as well, we have some bigger leaves here. There goes some more coming in. So these are the ones in the containers, and I have some in the ground. But they are progressing nicely. I was worried about not pre-sprouting them because I watch Janie from Zone 9. She normally pre-sprout hers. She's in the Zone 9 as well as Northern Flower Farm. She pre-sprouts hers as well. So I will see. I was being too lazy. I didn't have time to pre-sprout. I was actually running behind on time as well, so I just put them in here.